Welcome back to another tech tip by appliance video. Today we will look at how long you can store fruit in the refrigerator or freezer before it goes bad.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Fruit is a tricky thing. It can sometimes be fairly expensive depending on the season, and more often than not, when you are finally in the mood to snack on it, you may find that it did not last as long as you'd hope in the fridge. Well, there are many tricks and gadgets that will help prolong the life of your fruit. These are the standard times some of the more common fruits will last in the refrigerator. It is important to note that you will want to ensure your refrigerator is properly cooling. It should be between 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Apples are pretty robust and can be stored for about 1 month in the fridge. Citrus fruits will store for 1 to 2 weeks. Bananas can be stored for 2 to 4 days, though the skin will darken in the refrigerator. Storing them this way actually slows down the ripening process regardless of the skin colour. Grapes will store for 3 to 5 days. Pears and plums will last 3 to 4 days. Berries, cherries and apricots will store for 2 to 3 days, and pineapples, when cut, will store for 2 to 3 days. So, how long will these common fruits last in the freezer? First, make sure your freezer control is set to the proper setting. If it is set properly, your freezer section should be between -5 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Apples will last 10 months to a year in the freezer, and up to 8 months if cooked. Bananas will last 6 months in the freezer. However, you will want to peel them first. Pro tip: if you wait till your bananas are overripe before freezing, you can blend them into a soft serve consistency for a healthy ice cream, known as nice cream. Berries, cherries and apricots will freeze for about 6 months. Grapes are good in the freezer for about 1 month, and will actually take on the texture of a popsicle or ice lolly. Pineapple will last 6 to 12 months, and pears, plums and citrus are not recommended to be frozen. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.